Dad, help! Oh!
Come on, Billy. I just need a little bit more of your blood.
You're not taking more of my blood, Timmy.
Oh, come on. I'll be careful with it this time.
I said no, and that is final.
That's why you was adopted. Look what you did, Billy.
Me? It was you.
Dad's turning into you again, Billy.
Help, Timmy. Get me help. Get me cheese.
I'll call Mom. Oh, Mother.
Yeah, what is it?
Billy injected Dad with his blood, and now Dad is turning into Billy.
Again? Let me see, honey. Honey, help! Oh, good Lord. What? What is it? Look in the mirror.
Chinese food, how may I help you?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, what you want?
Yeah, let me get a bologna sandwich.
With extra cheese.
With extra cheese.
What the hell?
Prank calls again, Timmy? That's it. I'm taking your phone.
You get away from me.
Give me your phone.
I'm calling the cops.
Well, they're not gonna do anything.
You think so, huh?
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, my dad's trying to steal my phone.
We're sending an officer to your location.
All right, thank you.
Trevor, come out with your hands up.
See, I told you. Oh, Father, I'm gonna go outside and play with my new scooter.
No, you can't.
You can't tell me what to do, this guy.
Yeah, Timmy, you can't go. There's a tornado outside. Yeah, didn't you see the news? Look.
Breaking news! A tornado is destroying houses in your area. Now, everyone scream.
Ow. I'm gonna go get some Oreos.
Well, looks like I'll just use my scooter inside the house.
I don't care. Just don't annoy me.
I believe I could fly. I believe I could touch the sky. I'm a bird.
My toes! You ran over my toes, you moron!
Well, why was your foot in my way?
That's it. Give me that scooter.
Well, you gotta catch me first.
Get back here. Open the door, Timmy.
No. Why me? You did this to me. You okay, Timmy? Why are you recording yourself crying? Because I'm making a video to send to my dad. Why? Because he didn't want to give me any money, so I'm making a video to show him how much he hurt me. Maybe I can help you get money from your dad. Really? I know how you can help me. Let's just wait for my dad to get here.
May I help you?
Yeah, I need help with some money.
What? Get out of my pockets! Give me my money!
Now, Luke, now! Come on, Luke.
That's it, I'm calling the cops.
You wanna go to Playland, Luke? Sure. My dad must have called the cops. Don't worry, Timmy, I got it. Baby, baby, oh, like baby, 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 oh, like baby, baby, baby.
Why are you still singing?
You mind your business.
Listening to Justin Bieber. Baby, baby, baby,
I listen to what I want. I'm the wise guy.
Why you staring at me?
Shut up, Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna do a concert. Dad, you're gonna be my backup singer and my backup dancer.
No.
Oh, Mother!
You called Timmy?
Papa Big Chin doesn't want to be my backup singer or my backup dancer for the concert I'm about to do.
Help him in his concert or you'll be joining the Kingdom of Heaven.
I call this song I Miss You, Baby. Hit it, DJ. Hello, DJ?
Oh, sorry.
I miss you, baby. Why did you run away?
I miss you, baby. Why did you run away?
I miss you, baby. Don't tell me you hate me now. Who cares what Dad says? His words mean nothing. Oh, who took my credit card? Blah, 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 blah. Who cares? May I help you?
First of all, you're being a bad role model to Billy. Second of all, you shouldn't be saying that. I'm sitting right here.
Are you sure you're right there?
What do you mean?
I mean, are you sure you're right there? Because what if you're not? What if you're really in the kitchen? Ooh.
What a moron.
Professor Know-It-All. Okay, now Billy, I'm gonna pretend I'm Dad. I need to make this more legit.
What are you doing?
Give me your shirt.
What the?
Okay, now Billy, pretend I'm Dad and I'm yelling at you. Billy, I'm tired of you breathing so loud.
Go ahead, Marshmallow. Talk back.
Leave me alone! Oh, you wish to say that to me? Okay.
What do you think you're doing? I'm the Dad. You're grounded. Billy, take off your shoes.
What? Why?
Because I'm gonna take pictures of you while you hold them.
No, leave me alone.
Oh, come on. You're gonna be like a model.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Because you have the perfect face to model. Now take off your shoes.
Okay, fine.
Okay, now I need you to hold them up in the air like this. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice, nice. Now give me sad. Come on, baby. Give me more. Okay.
Bunch of idiots.
I don't know why you're talking. You're gonna model Billy's other shoes.
No.
That's it. I'm telling Mom. Oh, Mother!
Yes, Timmy.
Mom, this wise guy over here isn't obeying me.
Do what he says or else.
Now put on Mom's wig and hold these in the air. You're a professional. Now give me happy. I can't believe you actually called Debbie, Billy.
Yeah, it's time Dad learns a lesson.
Get over here.
Where's your Auntie Lubert?
Oh, Mr. Debbie threw it out the window.
Moochka.
Where's your daddy, Jumbo Lips?
Billy, would you do the honors?
Why, thank you, kind sir. My dad is hiding behind the couch.
You think you can hide from me, baby Trevor?
I have to post this on YouTube.
I'm gonna punish you for cheating on me, Trevor. So get up and fight me like a man.
You're not even my wife. Trevor, what's going on? Yeah, why did you throw me out the window? Oh, I felt the baby kick.
You going down, Papa John.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna go viral on YouTube.
You're done. Yeah.
Why did I see Auntie Lubert fly out the window? What's going on?
Oh, Amanda, your husband was cheating on me.
Excuse me?
Trevor had another lady over, but don't worry, I threw her out the window.
That lady is Trevor's sister.
Sister? Oh. Well, looks like this was all a big misunderstanding. Take care, everyone.
Next time you give me a dirty look, I'm putting you up for adoption. You hear me? Don't look at my sister. I'm gonna go use the toilet.
He seems pretty pissed off with you, Billy.
But I didn't do anything.
Well, you still deserve it.
We'll see about that.
Who you calling?
You'll see. Yeah, hi. It's me, Billy. I just wanted to tell you that my dad has another lady over. Oh, you're on your way? Okay, bye.
What are you up to, Billy? I know what you did.
What's going on?
So you like to cheat on me, huh, Trevor? Bushka!
Bushka? What is that?
Well, let me show you. Never mess with my Trevor. Where's your daddy?
Oh, he's on the toilet in the bathroom. Hurry up, go get him.
What the hell are you doing?
So you like cheating on me, huh, Trevor?
What? You know I have a wife.
You son of a bushka!
Oh, I gotta run to the bathroom. I'm gonna leave my 2 Oreo cookies right here. Make sure no one eats them.
I'll guard them with my life.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, hey, Dad.
Don't call me Dad. Call me Trevor. And what do you want?
Mom said you can have one of her Oreo cookies.
Well, why don't you eat it?
No, she said only my wonderful, loving husband can have one of these.
Okay. I'm back. Oh, thanks for the Oreo cookie, honey. You're so freaking...
Welcome.
I'm okay. I'm good.
Mom, can I have one of your Oreo cookies?
Wow, Mom, you're like the Karate Kid.
Mom, the neighbors are complaining about the noise.
But I don't want to go live in the basement with Billy. But it'll be fun. We can bake cookies. We can play hide and seek in the middle of the night.
Do I really have to, honey? Yeah. You knew I cooked dinner and you still ordered Domino's pizza.
Yeah, how can you do that to Mom?
It was your idea to order Domino's.
No. That's a fib.
How is that a lie? You said... Oh.
Trying to make stories up, huh? Mom, punish him.
Say hello to my little friend!
Who is that?
I'll go check. It was just the pizza delivery guy. In here, Tony.
Hey, my friends, pizza delivery. Domino's Pizza, better than a home-cooked meal, I always say. My friend, why?
Tony? Should we still tip him?
You said you were my friend.
I lied, Snowcone.
Wow. Timmy, can you shut off the game? We're gonna go to Target.
Yes, I love going to Target.
Oh, don't get too happy. We're gonna go get your school supplies.
It's all your fault I gotta get school supplies.
How's it my fault?
I don't know. I just needed someone to blame.
Enjoy getting your school supplies.
Talk to the hand because you don't got a man.
Well, Timmy, it was actually your good friend Marvin who reminded me.
Marvin? Ooh.
Yeah, I told your mom. School starts in 2 weeks and we need to get all your school supplies. You son of a...
I'll be waiting for you in the car, Timmy. Don't be long.
I'll be right there, Mom. I'm just gonna bag up some trash. Hurry up, take out the trash. Oh, don't worry. That's what I'm about to do right now. What are you doing? Oh, teacher!
What's taking Timmy so long?
Get in there! Oh, teacher! I'll be right there, Mom. Just throwing out the trash.
About to catch another fight. The apple bottom make him wanna bite.
Mom, can we go to the zoo?
No, honey, we have a zoo at home.
We have a zoo at home?
Yeah, we have a zoo at home. Look.
Hey, Timmy, remember Mama? Mama? Yeah, how can I forget? Yeah. In a weird way, I kind of miss her. I just wish she could have been a good robot.
Yeah, I wish she could have been a good robot too. Well, I don't. Forget about Mama. I'm just glad it's all over. Well, well, well. Who the hell is that? This is the scientist who created Luke, Lucy, and Mama.
That's the freak who created Mama? Why are you here?
I'm here to give you one more chance. Give Luke and Lucy back. I suggest you to turn around and go back to your little evil science lab.
Yeah, me and Luke aren't going anywhere with you.
Then I'm gonna need help for my newest creation. What the hell is that? It's my newest creation, Android 4. Have fun, everyone.
Lucy, where's Luke? I don't know, but maybe I can take him. Bye. Billy, get out of the way!
Luke was in Billy's room, the basement. I'm gonna go look for him. No, don't go. We're all gonna die.
Will you quit complaining? Let's keep watching the fight. Huh? No, Lucy. Now he's gonna destroy Billy.
No, no.
Billy, no!
Billy! Billy, talk to me! Please don't go, Billy. Stay alive!
I'm sorry. It's too late. I'm a goner.
Well, at least just give me one more bat before you go. No! You're gonna pay when Luke gets here. Luke, where are you?
When Luke gets here, you're gonna pay for what you did. You heard what I said.
I was created to destroy Luke and Lucy.
Wake up, Billy!
No!
And when I destroy Luke, I will destroy your family. And when I destroy your family, I will destroy everyone.
Excuse me, you wanna get a whooping?
Yeah, you know what? You're getting a whooping. Where he go?
Baby Trevor!
Ugh.
No, Papa Big Chin!
Booshka!
I knew I'd find Billy's shoes. Timmy's gonna be happy.
বিয়া কেউ জীবনে সুখী হইতে পারে না।
আব্বা তুমি কো বিয়েটা কি ছেলে খেলা? আমি কি চাইলে বিয়ে করতে পারবো? আমি কি মাইয়া?
একটা কথা কবি না তোর কোনো কথা কওনে নাই নিজে বিয়া সম্পর্কে নিজে কইতে তো লজ্জা করে না
সংসারে এমন একটা জিনিস, এই সংসারে কারো না কারো ত্যাগ করন লাগে।
তুমি আমারে ভুলে গেছো?
ভুলি নাই, ভুলার চেষ্টা করতেছি।
আমি ভালো নাই আসমা, আমি তো শেষ হয়ে গেছি।
সময় গেছে থমকে এই পৃথিবীর পরে, পেয়েছি তোমায় আলতো প্রেমের পরে। অদ্ভুত প্রেম কি তাই যায় না মাপা, জলক পৃথিবী আজ অর্পার কানে প্রিয় কাঁঠালি চাপা। অনিশ্চয়তা জিনিসটা আমার একদম পছন্দ।
তুমি একটু বেশি বেশি চিন্তা করো।
দীর্ঘশ্বাস ফেললে যে
মানুষ তখনই দীর্ঘশ্বাস ফেলে যখন তার অতীতের আফসোস বা ভবিষ্যতের চিন্তা তার বর্তমানটাকে নষ্ট করে ফেলে।
আবিরের কোনো খোঁজ আছে ভাইয়া? মানে আমি আবিরকে ফোন করছি, ফোনে পাচ্ছি না। আমাকে ভুলেছ আপনার, ভালো থেকো।
ফুলটা একটু আগে অনেক সুন্দর ছিল জানো, কিন্তু আমার কাঠলি চাপাকে দেখার পর থেকে ওর সৌন্দর্য ফিকে হয়ে গেছে।
Oh, Luke?
Who are you?
I am the one who created you, and you will be leaving this place with me.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
If you fight me, Luke, I will take away all your powers with this one button. Well, 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 what do we have here? Oh no, not again. And since Luke is already here, you will be giving him an upgrade. Whatever you say. You hear that, Luke? You're getting an upgrade.